Question number 1, answer is option A. Remittances are sent abroad by residents of India under reservation, of course, RBI. And this scheme is called as the liberalized remittance scheme. Okay. And this has declined by 6.84% for the first time since COVID-19 period. So that made a news in May. Okay. So that's why the answer is option ए रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, वहां से ही पैसे आते हैं ना. सो ऑफ कोर्स विल गो विद ऑप्शन ए एज द आंसर. लेट्स गो टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. व्हिच इंडियन सिटी इज द होस्ट ऑफ 2026 एशियन वेट लिफ्टिंग चैंपियनशिप? Hello Guru Mata, good to see you. Hi Preeti Kana, how are you? After so long, one long year it took you to come back to my channel again. welcome. So good to see you after so long. The best idea would be to wish you happy birthday every day till December 31. No, Veda Mitra, guess my birthday. NRI sending money to India. Correct, Athar. Hi, Mani, I find a video. Okay. Hi, Vidhi. I really find your videos really helpful, specifically for decision making and GK. Best gift that we could give you is getting good marks in. Of course, Vidhi. What else can be the good thing? Option A, everyone says Bhopal. Well, you guys are not correct because ये अच्छी चीजें कहाँ होती है इंडिया में? गुजरात में. Of course, it has to be Ahmedabad. This Asian weightlifting championship will be held in Ahmedabad from April 1st to April 10th next year. India will be awarded. India was awarded hosting rights to last year only. Okay, during their, what do you call, the committee discussion and all that. And IWF is the International Weightlifting Federation. उन्होंने ये decision लिया है. Originally it was planned in Gandhinagar, but then later it was shifted to Ahmedabad. Okay, Ahmedabad will also be hosting the Commonwealth Games in August. Okay, fine then. So we have our answer. Let's go. Number 3, Parasnath Hill. Okay, a static GK question for all of you. Either Gujarat or Delhi. Correct. Either of the two. Kind of, Ketan. Eddie, these PDFs will be shared with you on Jesus' birthday. Tanishq. Okay. Finita. Why? Okay, so question number 3, everyone. Let's go. Question 3 is, the answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand High Court has recently directed the state government to very strictly enforce an old ban on meat, alcohol, and intoxicants on the Parasnath Hill. Okay, it's the highest peak in Jharkhand, around 4,400 some feet. Okay, and it is located exactly in Giridih district, and this is very sacred place for both Jains and Santal Adivasis. Okay, so therefore this place is almost like Mecca for the Santals. So therefore ये न्यूज में इसलिए था क्योंकि पहले यहाँ पे very like it was like a old ban, you know, long back. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी, एक लेवल लाइक यहाँ पे मीट, अल्कोहल, इंटॉक्सिकेंट सब कुछ बैन कर दो. तो झारखंड गवर्नमेंट हैज डायरेक्टेड द गवर्नमेंट टू स्ट्रिक्टली इन्फोर्स एन ओल्ड बैन. Okay. I'm not into this, so I'll not talk about it. So let it be. Question number 4, everyone. Which country has introduced the Golden Dome defense system? जी रोहित, गई थी. Christmas present or what? These PDFs. You talk a lot. Answer, Nandan. Snehadeep, be like. Okay, fine. I don't think Ketan. Everyone is complaining that they cannot really see their performance pretty well because of that. So, question number 4. Yes, the question is which country has introduced the Golden Dome defense system? According to Sneha, it's Big Daddy USA. President Donald Trump announced the Golden Dome. Okay, it's a space-based missile defense system which will cost around $175 billion to protect the US from global threats. Wow. Basically, it's inspired by Israel's Iron Dome. Okay, if you guys have not heard about it, please jaake search karna. Israel's Iron Dome. Okay, it plans to deploy hundreds of satellites for the missile detection and tracking. So, this Golden Dome is about to be completed by the 2029, probably. That's what they are expecting it to be. Let's go to question number 5. Which government department has launched the Financial Fraud Risk Indicator, that is FRI, to help detect mobile numbers linked to fraud? See, the keyword is right there in the question, guys. Mobile numbers. बिल्कुल चिराग सही. Sorry, Glossop. I'll just take your doubts after 15 minutes. Let us finish these questions. आज वैसे भी we will be stopping at 20 questions because honestly, uh, someone ate up my time before this. I have a very strict deadline of everything I do, and you will not believe me. I work like that. I have four sticky notes right now in front of me. I have a strict deadline. Half an hour ka time, matlab half an hour ka time. I cannot extend that because I have four things lined up after it. So if someone takes up my extra time, that really eats up my entire schedule. So I'm so sorry for you people, like to you people, because of someone who kind of extended my previous session like a lot. So I had to stop here at 20 questions today. But koi baat nahi, I'll be taking the Q&A today and I'll be finishing off as many doubts as possible in this session itself. So question number 5, correct answer is Department of Telecommunication, because of course, why not? We're talking about mobile numbers. So here we go, telecommunication. Telecommunication के department को DOT भी कहते हैं, and you would see that आपके phone में बज रहा होगा अभी, बहुत सारे phone numbers आ रहे होंगे अभी already. Even if you're not using Truecaller, you will see a number coming as spam. These all things are a part of the financial fraud risk indicator, okay, which is helping them to detect mobile numbers linked with fraud. इससे एक और चीज है जो आपको नोट करनी चाहिए, which you people will be making a static note of. This is called as NCRP. NCRP, guys, you can search it later. It's called as National Cybercrime Reporting Portal. This is actually a part of I4C, that is Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसका नाम है चक्षु प्लेटफॉर्म. द DOT's चक्षु platform alerts, and there are some, they have also come up with the banks to send alerts about these kind of activities going on, especially related to UPI or NBFCs. एक नंबर को फ्लैग कर दिया जाता है so that the person knows कि ये fraud हो सकता है, right? Okay, question number 6. According to the recent report, which country has the largest active military force globally? Thank you so much, Ketan, for understanding. Hi, Sana. ऑल राइट एवरीवन, किसी ने मुझे पूछा था, मैं अभी अभी वहां से होकर आई हूँ. इट्स द राइट आंसर, गाइस. इट्स ऑप्शन ए, चाइना. Global defense spending is rising very fast due to uncertainty and rapid technological growth in this field as well, right? And ये जो रिसर्च निकाली है, ये स्टॉकहोम इंटरनेशनल पीस रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, जिसे हम सिप्री भी कहते हैं, सिप्री, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, सिप्री. सिप्री, कैन नोट इट डाउन. सिप्री ने ये निकाली है कि मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडिचर जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा चला गया है चाइना के लिए, एंड चाइना करेंटली हैज द लार्जेस्ट एक्टिव मिलिट्री फोर्स ऑफ अराउंड 20 million, आई गेस, और 2 million people in this. बहुत सारे लोग. 2 million people. Okay, so let's go to the next one. India ranks second, by the way, 1.4 million active people there. Okay, चलो, एंड थर्ड में यूएसए आता है. एंड बताओ, इनमें से कोई भी वॉर नहीं कर रहा अभी फिलहाल ओपनली. रशिया और यूक्रेन लड़ रहे हैं. ओके, कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, एवरीवन. सो द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 शुड बी, इट्स अ डेट. सो सी इफ यू नो अबाउट इट, आप लोग गेस कर सकते हो. एंड ऑल्सो लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स if you are, even if you're not sure. Okay, so definitely go for that. Ketan, can we enroll in the DM course now? Yes, Ketan, you can. One session is only done for the second batch, so you can join it, and all the live sessions plus one recorded session would be given to you. चाइना सेफ लगा एज ए इंडियन? इंडिया से ज्यादा सेफ लगा चिराग, सीरियसली. आई वुड टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर, ये सेशन खत्म होने दो देन. Okay, had a talk with the students. All of them told, okay, ma'am went to Exara Jamshedpur today. Wow, had a talk with the students. All of them told to follow your channel. So sweet of them and so sweet of you, Sana. Thank you so much. All right, SIPRI full form. Stockholm, sorry, International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI. Okay. Third May. Hey, Jyotish Ray, I read your message. Thank God your issue is resolved, right? Thank God, yeah. I was so much in tension because of you. All right, so let's go. So, answer is 3rd May. Everyone is correct. World Press Day, Press Freedom Day basically is always celebrated to highlight what? The freedom, the vital role of the media known for it. Remember, it is the fourth pillar of democracy. ये डायलॉग याद रखो, चिपकाना कहीं पर भी wherever necessary, like PI हो जाए या फिर anywhere other possible, GD, wherever you get a chance, don't miss out that chance of sticking out to this step, that media is known to be the fourth pillar of democracy, right? So journalists वगैरह बनाते हैं ये day 3rd of May. Question number 8, everyone, let's go. मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर कोई कर नहीं पाया है वैसे, लास्ट में फिर से पूछूंगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. बिल्कुल आर्यन, दैट्स द थीम. ओके, फाइन, लेट्स गो गाइस. ओ, आई कांट फाइंड फोन एनीमोर. ओके, दी अगर आप होते तो हमारे जीके का क्या होता लिटरली. थैंक यू विधि, सो स्वीट ऑफ यू. एक्सलाइ कम्युनिटी सीम्स टू हैव नेक्स्ट लेवल पॉजिटिव वाइब्स. Option D, A kind of mixed answers, no problem. Lakh Kundi temple is basically, firstly, I'll tell you why it was in news, okay? Uh, it is it is set to be finalized for the UNESCO's tentative listing of World Heritage Sites. तो ये बनने वाला है, इसीलिए ये न्यूज में था, okay? And it's historically referred to as Loki Gundi, and it was built during the reign of Chalukyas. Basically, the answer is Karnataka, guys. Okay. So ये अभी अभी यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट बनने की लिस्ट में है, इसीलिए इट वाज इन न्यूज. तो जैसे मैंने बार बार कहा है, द पीपल हु हैव जॉइंड मी टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम और वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, आई लेट यू टेल यू अगेन that static GK is never asked you out of the box, okay, randomly. These questions are asked you based on whenever these places or these things came in news, and they are a part of static GK. They don't change. Okay, let's go. Guys, question number 9 on your screen. Which city is the host of Yoga Mahotsav? Yoga Mahotsav. 62 people are watching me right now, and why are there only 36 likes? Guys, half of you have not liked the session. Please do like the session as well. That really, really helps. I know the ones who are watching me every day would be tired of me telling this thing again and again. But क्या करें, कुछ लोगों को बार बार याद दिलाना पड़ता है, and some of them are new as well. So please do like the session. Winter is coming. Was looking again for Ahmedabad. Naman, that was funny. But unlikely this time, this is something related to Nashik. That's Maharashtra this time. So Maharashtra's Nashik will hold the Yoga Mahotsav as a part of the countdown of International Day of Yoga, right? It will be organized by the Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga as well as the Ayush is Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. मैंने पहले ही बताया था. Remember, we had this discussion before, right? Okay. By the way, योगा डे कब है? I think June 21st को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, right? तो योगा डे पे 1 लाख अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे साथ में योगा करने का स्कीम रहता है. It's funny, but I am no one to laugh at it. Question number 10. The Bakra Dam. Guys, Bakra Nangal Dam is very famous. You should know that. Ketan, देखो live का तो नहीं पता because I've already made the timetable of the live, but I can assure you that you can watch a lot of my videos if you haven't completed the playlist yet. If you have completed the video, then good to go. And if you have not completed the playlist yet, I would strongly request you to go through it at your own pace. कभी कभी मैं slow भी पढ़ाती हूँ, तो उस केस में आप fast करके देख सकते हो, right? So that's for your own advantage. Don't worry. Option B, 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 B. And by the way, you guys can also check the recordings. I've also sent the recordings of these classes which I'm taking separately, है ना? One recording. सारे recordings भी लेने की जरूरत नहीं. एक देख लो so that you get an idea of it, है ना? एक से भी समझ सकते हो. What's the big deal? Question number 10. So the answer is Satluj River, guys. Recently, all the political parties in Punjab united firmly and opposed releasing any extra water to Haryana from the Bakra Dam, showing a very strong regional consensus. इसीलिए ये न्यूज में था. The Bakra Dam is a very concrete gravity dam built across the Satluj River, and it is located in the Punjab Himachal Pradesh ka border, and it stands near Bakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, world's highest straight gravity dam. Okay, Asia's second tallest dam after Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. So you guys can understand how important this dam is, right? So B, Satluj River is the right answer. Let's go to Anthony Albanese. इस set में बहुत सारे prime ministers and presidents के questions हैं. Vidamitra, I'm not sure. Generally, it does last 2 years से तो वो करते आ रहे हैं, but this year I am not sure if they will stop it or they will do it. Kangaroo! Yay! So many people are correct here this time. Australia. Anthony Albanese, Australia. A. The basic, best, fastest way of getting the answer. But please, jokes apart, he has been re-elected, becoming the first leader in decades to win a second term. इसीलिए वो news में थे. Special news में. It's not just about becoming the prime minister of a country, it's also about marking a major political milestone. Okay, let's go. Question number 12, everyone. Okay, again, we had a discussion about question number 12, Halka Fulka, like something similar. You remember India and Maldives together conducting exercises? So, INS, which INS participated in it? Oh, yeah, Naman. Whenever I read your Naman से तो बात आज ही हुई हमारी कॉल पे. Naman, whenever I see your name, I remember the Spotify ad of Naman. Okay. BAC सारे ऑप्शन दे दो, मतलब कुछ भी लग ही जाएगा नहीं. नो प्रॉब्लम, ये सब कुछ आप क्लास में कर सकते हो. नो इश्यूज इन दैट. जीके में बस नेगेटिव नहीं आना चाहिए आप लोगों को, ठीक है ना? उसके ऊपर कोई भी स्कोर आ रहा है, दैट इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू. INS Sharda is the right answer, guys. Okay, INS Sharda is the answer of this question, and ये exercise May 4 से May 10th तक चला था. Okay, and a quick tip for you people. मेरा बर्थडे भी इसी के बीच आता है. Okay, so guess the right birthday and get nothing. I'm not giving you anything currently. All right, so let's go to question number 13 on your screen. Solar Energy Corporation of India is under administrative control of which ministry? This is so easy. Energy conservation, guys. What do you mean? Well, like, what do you think would be the answer? Oh, Ketan has come up with a new thing. Whenever in doubt, C is the answer. D. Yes, because it's solar energy, so it's new and renewable energy. Absolutely correct. कितने smart हो आप लोग? That's right. See, Reliance NU Suntech, they have recently signed a 25-year power purchase agreement with this Solar Energy Corporation of India, SECI, SECI, to build Asia's largest single location integrated solar and battery energy storage system. बहुत बड़ा मस्त project है. You should know about these things, because if you know about these things, you can quote an example of mentioning the fact that India is also doing good in multiple other places as well. Okay, so let's go. Question number 14. Let's go, guys. Question number 14. Kendu leaf. Actually, ये एक जगह का नाम है. In all these 4 places, Kendu is the prefix of a very famous name in one of the cities. Winter is coming. Okay, winter has already come. Also known as Tendu leaf, is referred to the green gold of which Indian state? Okay, Aryan, then that lies in which of the states here? Tell me. Okay, 8 gram sabhas. ओके इतना डिटेल में नहीं बताऊंगी. ये एक ब्लॉक है इन अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट called Koraput. If you know where Koraput it is, you know the answer. They have harvested over 4 lakh bundles of kendu leaves this season 2025, and they are waiting for the government notification to deregulate the trade, right? एंड ये केंदू लीफ है क्या? ये केंदू लीफ को तेंदू लीफ भी बोलते हैं. इट्स अ वाइटल नॉन वुड फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज रेफर्ड एज द ग्रीन गोल्ड ऑफ द आंसर ओडिशा. द ग्रीन गोल्ड ऑफ ओडिशा. It's a major forest product not only found in Odisha but in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh also. And जो forest dwelling communities हैं, they have rights to collect it and use it and also to sell the minor products to अदर पीपल. बट अभी गवर्नमेंट की नोटिस के लिए वो वेट कर रहे हैं. ये न्यूज में क्यों था? ये न्यूज में इसलिए था क्योंकि इस सीजन ना सबसे ज्यादा 4 लाख बंडल्स प्रोड्यूस हुए हैं जो कि वो सेल करने के लिए रेडी हैं, बैठे हैं, बट गवर्नमेंट उन्हें यू नो ओके का साइन नहीं दे रहा है इतना बड़ा सेलिंग करने के लिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज इन न्यूज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 एवरीवन. दिस इज अनदर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ विच कंट्री? He always manages to get one Odisha question and one Jharkhand question also. While I was selecting this question, I was laughing. I was thinking, koi to bolega ye baat. Ria, you get this PDF on Jesus' birthday. So please wish that that comes soon. सिर्फ पीडीएफ का क्या करोगे वैसे? जब आप लाइव में आके पूछ रहे हो मतलब आप लाइव देख रहे हो. मणिकांता, मैं न्यूज मोबाइल से पढ़ती हूँ, इंस्टाग्राम से पढ़ती हूँ, इफ यू बिलीव मी. Okay, Paramita, you can take it with TopMate. The link is in the description box. You can book a session from there. Singapore, yes, one of the most beautiful and best airports in the world. And when I say the best airport, it's not because it's just beautiful, it's because the amenities there are superb. Even without spending a single buck, you can spend the entire day there with ease, you know. So Laurel Wrong nahi, Wong has been elected as the Prime Minister of Singapore, and he is actually from the PAP party. If you want to know about it, if you don't want to know about it, no problem at all. Let's go to the next question. Number 16. Which institute has been appointed to lead recently launched Pushpak National Mission on Drone Technology? आपको पता है वहां के वॉशरूम्स भी इतने वेल डिजाइंड है कि डिफरेंट हाइट के लोगों के लिए भी डिफरेंट साइज के वॉश बेसिन्स हैं, सो दैट मुंह धोने के लिए आपको बहुत नीचे भी झुकना नहीं पड़ेगा और बहुत ऊपर भी टिल्ट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. इट्स दैट गुड. रेस्ट करने के लिए the lounge area is so beautiful and so many types of variety of seats कि आपको जिस तरह से रेस्ट करना आप उस तरह से फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रेस्ट कर सकते हो. द बेस्ट प्लेस टू एक्चुअली हैव अ लेओवर फ्लाइट आई वुड से. Ketan, my darling, it still functions after being unused for so long. Seriously, Ketan, wow, that's a nice thing. Singapore Airlines was once inspired and collaborated with India, but today it's sad. Oh, Singapore Airlines, again, one of the best airlines I've traveled in. Wow, what a hospitality. उनको अगर आप बोल दो ना कि आपको खाना अच्छा नहीं लगा, वो लिटरली मेरे लिए अलग अलग टाइप के स्नैक्स लेके आ गए थे कि आप कुछ खा लो. Question number 16. Which institute has been appointed to lead the Pushpak National Mission? Guys, again, an IIT question. I try to keep these kind of questions always, and here it is, another one for you. Well, this time the answer is IIT Bombay. This has been appointed to lead recently led Pushpak National Mission on drone technology. Okay? Of course, the mission was started by the Electronic Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology, जिसे हम मैती भी कहते हैं. And this is like a big project, around 80 crores project, and it aims to boost the development of यहाँ घर का बना हुआ drone. Okay? So IIT Bombay is working on those hybrid drones. Let's go to question number 17. Another prime minister today. Salim Saleh bin Bakris. Braikus. Bricus. Yeah. Yemen, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia. Hmm. Paramita, you can book anyone according to the time limit. Okay, so no restriction on the type of session. Just see which time suits you best. 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, whatever suits you best. A B abacus. Oh, A or B. Okay, fine. So, yes, the answer is A, Yemen. 5th of May, Yemen Presidential Leadership Council appointed Salim Saleh bin Braik as the new prime minister, okay? Followed by the resignation of Ahmad some Mubarak, okay? Beach ka naam bhul gayi main. Ahmad Mubarak, who stepped down due to constitutional limits and lack of power to implement the reforms. उनको ऐसे बीच से उतरना पड़ा इसीलिए ये ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में था, okay? And by the way, this Salim bin Brak was the finance minister since 2019. Previously, also the also the vice finance minister. तो वहां से सीधा प्राइम मिनिस्टर प्रमोशन. Oh, looks like Manikanta got my expressions well, but it's close to it, not on fifth. Question number 18. Who represented India at the 80th Victory Day celebration in Moscow, Russia? This is interesting. This is interesting. This is interesting question. Please answer. Bilkul Sampark. That's right. Try to get the answer for this question. And please, guys, do like the session as well. That is very, very important. Okay, Rajnath Singh. Oh, okay. D D D D D. A lot of D's, huh? Some people going with Jai Shankar also. No, none of them is the answer. Neither Jai Shankar nor Rajnath Singh. Sanjay Seth. He is the Minister of State, Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Okay. He went there and represented India on 9th of May. Okay. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi was initially scheduled to attend it but could not do that due to which incident? पहलगाम टेरर इंसिडेंट. एंड उसके बाद आपको तो पता ही है क्या हुआ था 6th and 7th of May. Basically the 6th night and the 7th morning for us. Okay, yes, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. क्वेश्चन नहीं दिया है मैंने क्योंकि ऑब्वियस सी बात है मई में दैट्स द बिगेस्ट न्यूज टू कवर. बट इसी क्वेश्चन के थ्रू आई वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. प्लीज रिमेंबर मई में ही हुआ था. ऑलराइट, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. एंड बाय द वे, my birthday also falls in these 2 days. So, question number 19. Obsessed with my birthday. You might be thinking Pasha is probably obsessed with her birthday. Kind of. Why not? Winter is coming. No, I just gave the hint right now. Which state government has launched Sanchari Kaveri tanker delivery scheme? गुड जॉब केतन एंड ज्योति, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. आप लोगों को ये पीडीएफ में कर दूंगी डीएम. मुझे टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज करना. दैट्स द बर्थडे गेसिंग गिफ्ट. Which state government has launched Sanchari Kaveri tanker delivery scheme? So, Kaveri, isn't that enough for you to guess the answer? Madhya Pradesh और महाराष्ट्र तो दूर दूर तक नहीं हो सकता because it's Kaveri. So, of course, the Bangalore Water Supply and the Sewage Board has launched this Sanchari Kaveri to supply clean drinking water using GPS tracked tankers in Bangalore. And who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka? Shiv Kumar, DK Shiv Kumar, right? And he launched this Kaveri scheme to stop the monopoly of the private water tanker mafias. Okay. बेसिकली अब आप क्या कर सकते हो कि जो भी चार्ज होगा ना, नाउ इट विल बी एन ओटीपी बेस्ड वेरिफिकेशन फॉर द डिलीवरी. कावेरी ऑन व्हील्स, ये एक ऐप का नाम है फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. किम जोंग युंग नहीं यार. Not really. Okay, technically the second last question of the day today. Wait. I did not check this one. I did not tick this one. And yeah, done. All right, number 19 is Karnataka. Okay, let's go to number 20, guys. Second last question of the day. Why am I not live here? Okay. Try. Which organization released the State of World's Nursing SOWN 2025 report on International Nurses Day? Just focus on the word nurse, guys. Focus on the word nurse. You'll get it. And now, Kim Jong Un. I literally pronounced his name and learned his pronunciation better. And I thought that ho sakta hai immigration mein bolna pade. That if they ask me something and they are like suspicious of me, I'll say I love Kim Jong Un. But then nahi, zarat nahi padi. It was a very smooth and nice trip, and literally not as what I expected. I was expecting that maybe people would be like not so happy to see us there, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. They were so respectful. What a nice hospitality. Literally very good people, and very very genuinely, as a girl, I'll tell you, I felt very safe and I felt very very respected, because now no one is judging you. I think this is a common thing I've seen in Singapore, I've seen in Dubai, I've seen I've not seen in Thailand. Thailand में people are like always on party mood, but इसलिए वहाँ पे ये चीज़ नहीं देखने को मिली मुझे. But हाँ, दुबई में, सिंगापुर में और चाइना में people are very very, you know, strict with respect to being respectful to everyone, not just women, everyone. Possibly because of the fines. But नहीं, जो भी है reason उसका, it was good for me and anyone who would travel there. And what a technology, guys. Question number 20. पहले 20 का आंसर कर लेते हैं, फिर आपका Q&A ओपन कर लेंगे. नहीं, विंटर इज कमिंग, वहां जाने का मूड नहीं है मुझे. मैं जस्ट जोक कर रही हूँ कि मैं चाइना में वहां पर वो उनका नाम ले लूंगी. ओके, सो लुक, World Health Organization would be the answer here, because we are talking about nurses, right? So you can take a guess from there. And I don't think you need any detail of this as such, but the global nurse workforce has grown from 27 million to 29.8, that is close to 30 million people for the last 2 years now. तो इसका मतलब है कि जब nurses में इतनी increase हो रही है, तो we need to have some metrics to make sure that these people are also getting the right what हेल्प. आई नो आपने आईसीएन से थोड़ा कंफ्यूज कर दिया होगा इस क्वेश्चन को, है ना? बट दैट्स द पॉइंट आई गेव दिस क्वेश्चन टू यू पीपल. All right. So with this, I'll end the session. So